Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the SSD type and enclosure speed because the Series S needs high bandwidth storage for transfers. Once done, update your console so formatting tools are present. Power off the Xbox, attach the SSD to a rear port, and turn the system on. This lets the console detect the drive during initialization. Make sure your account is signed in so cloud saves remain intact. After boot, follow the on-screen prompt to format the drive for media or games. Don't skip this step. Now you configure the drive. When prompted, choose console storage to hold backward-compatible titles or external for media and Xbox One games. You do this because Series S runs optimized Xbox Series XS titles only on internal or expansion card storage. Moving older games frees internal space. Once formatted, go to Settings, System, Storage, pick the source, and move or install games directly to the SSD. Use the best cable you have. Poor cables throttle throughput and prolong transfers. Finish by launching a title stored on the SSD to confirm proper operation. You'll feel load time improvements for compatible content. If a Series XS optimized game won't install there, move it back to internal or use the official expansion card, because only those paths support native optimizations. Always eject the external drive via Settings before unplugging to prevent file corruption. If the console fails to detect the SSD, test it on a PC, reformat to XFAT if needed, and reseat cables. This usually resolves recognition issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.